Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Facebook application, and after we have opened our Facebook, we can go to the Facebook setting. I'm going to click on the three lines and I'm going to click on the setting icon. Okay, and after the settings and privacy have been opened, I'm going to scroll down. You can scroll down until you find the audience and visibility setting. Then you are going to select this one, how people find and contact you. Select this option, and if you want to hide your friends list on Facebook, you can click on this option. And as you can see that my friends list is public, and I'm going to hide it from public and from my friends as well. So we're going to click on this option and then select only me. Okay, so only me who can see my friends list on Facebook. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide friends list on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.